Hello! To add picture to contact on Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all let's go into this contacts application right here. Now we have to select the contact you want to add picture to and simply press this pencil icon, which basically goes to editing. And right now, as you can see, we can remove the picture and we can add the picture by simply pressing here. And we can add picture from device photos and from Google Photos. And we can also from the gallery, we can choose the photo from the gallery, select photo from the gallery, or we can make the picture with camera. So let's select the picture from the gallery, and once you do this, you can set up the picture by zooming in or zooming out and moving the picture just like this. And as you're done, you simply press choose. And basically that's how you do it. Next you have to be sure that you press this save button, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.